Hi folks, my name's Ken.Quick. I'm a retired teacher and coach from Idaho. It's my pleasure today to show you this 2019, it just got here, Newmar 4018 Dutch Star. What a gorgeous coach. Let's go inside and take a look around. If you have any questions about this coach or any other coach, give me a call at 208-250-8625. When you call in, ask for Coach, and that will get you to me. Back here in the back bathroom, the first thing you're going to notice is something that Newmar started doing. This is an emergency escape door. It is equipped with a ladder. Makes it much easier if you ever have to exit this coach in a hurry. You've got washer dryer would go in here. It's all plumbed and ready to go. We've got a nice vanity right here with plenty of storage. On this side over here, we've got our safe and some extra leaves for the table. Big shower with a fold down seat right here. Nice to have. You'll notice in here, because there is a bit of a little step up right here, there's a cathedral ceiling. Newmar is known for its quality. It's a great coach. 6-inch ceilings, 3-inch walls, dual pane windows, 4-inch floor, built by the Amish and the Mennonites back in Indiana. They do a superb job. Windows on both sides of this king-size bed. Storage on both sides, TV, got 6 drawers down below, big drawers. Plenty of storage on both sides. Beautiful woodwork. Very nice privacy door in this 2019. This coach is equipped with a 450 Cummins side draft radiator, just a well-built, great driving coach. Central vac. We've got our half bath here up in the front. Here's our pantry with slide drawers. It's all lit. These are awesome. Those are all adjustable. Residential refrigerator. Freezer down below, lots of storage. This coach comes equipped with ottomans, a couple of them underneath here. Good place to store them. Table's going to slide out, make a bigger table. This model has 2 recliners and a table in the middle. Couch on the other side with a pop-up TV. Deep rectangle sinks, slide drawers up above, place for a garbage can, more slide drawers down below, more storage here below the induction cooktop. This cooktop can be removed and unplugged and taken outside and used outside. Here we've got a kitchen extension here. Look at the length of these drawers. All kinds of extra work surface here. And the back side of these covers for the induction cooktop, you've got a cutting board. Really good idea. Microwave convection oven. Good size. You could cook just about anything in there. One thing I want to show you is right up here in the ceiling. Because this has a 6-inch ceiling, it's all ducted and insulated. Here's the filters. When they get dirty, you just take them off, rinse them off in the sink, and put them back up. This runs the length of the coach. This coach is built on 16-inch center hung wall, just like a house. As we move up in here into the cockpit, this coach is equipped with a heated floor. We've got remote control blinds. You have a co-pilot desk right here. Very nice seating. It's all flex steel. Auto leveling. Engine brake. Three levels, low, medium, and high on the engine brake. One of the big factors on this coach that sets it apart is it has comfort drive, folks. If you want to know more about comfort drive, please give me a call. I'd be glad to explain it. It's electronically assisted steering. It makes it a pleasure to drive. It is absolutely fabulous. Let's go outside and take a look at some of our storage and the other features that we have. As we move outside, you've got an awning over the entryway. You can see it's equipped with LED lights, so are both of the awnings. Alloy wheels, big wheels and tires, helps the ride. Right here, when the slide comes in, this slide comes in, it automatically locks the slide into place when they come in. These slides fit flush in here, so not only do you have less wind noise, but less water is going to be driven between the seal because it's all going over the top, so less likely to have a leak. Big storage underneath. Slide trays. You got a full slide tray, goes out both directions here. Half slide tray here. You can see the implements here for the central vac. There is an outside TV right here on the side of the coach. Beautiful paint job. Here there's a big water tank behind there, but instead of just having it wasted space, they put a pegboard in for tools. This is a tag axle unit. This is a steerable tag. This will turn. This helps you, your radius, it's much easier to turn around. You can do it in a shorter amount of time. Beautiful, beautiful workmanship. Okay, here's our DEF fluid. 2 chassis batteries. As we move around to the back, again, this coach is equipped with a 450 Cummins. Easy access to the back of the coach. Makes it easy for those of you that want to check your fluids and check your belts and change things out. Easy access there. Rear camera, backup camera. Here's that side draft radiator I was talking about. This is a plus, having it on the side here, it stays cleaner. Okay, as we move forward, you can see that all the windows have window awnings on them. Really helps when you're in a sunny area, helps keep it cool, shades it. You notice that the water hose is on a reel, electric reel. Makes it a lot easier to handle. You got your filter, outdoor shower, everything you need right there. Easy access. Here's our electric reel, 50 amp cord on the reel. Now here's our Oasis heat system, hot water, heats the coach, nice even heat. We can talk more about that when you give me a call. Here's our backside of our full slide right here. These have drop hinges. Here's our house batteries right here. There are 8 of them in there on a slide tray. Makes them easy to maintain. You'll notice how this drops down. That's that drop hinge I'm talking about. Gives you more clearance here. As we move forward, here's kind of the brains of the outfit right here, and some fuses. Release for the generator. I believe this is a 8,000 Cummins generator, diesel generator. If you have any questions about this coach or any other coach here at Guaranty RV, give the coach a call, 208-250-8625. It's been a pleasure. Have a great day. Come to Oregon and see all that we have to offer.